Hello, and welcome to Sharing Pizza, Fun with Fractions. I am so glad you have chosen this learning adventure. This is a modified version of Sharing Pizza with Friends located on your third grade choice board number 2, as you see here in the red circle. What you are about to experience is an electronic way or digital way to complete the same task. After the video, you can choose to complete this math task in one of two ways. 1, electronic, or 2, paper pencil. But more about that later. Let's get started. Vashti, Taisha, and Musin shared a pizza. Each friend ate a different fraction of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza might each friend have eaten? Sounds like a riddle. What should we do first? First, let's think about all the different ways a pizza can be divided. In this picture, the pizza is partitioned into eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, pizzas can be partitioned into equal parts in different ways. Here are just a few. This pizza is partitioned into sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This pizza's partitioned into thirds. 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. I want a slice of this pizza because its slices are large. Here is the one that we saw before, partitioned into eighths. This pizza is partitioned into 16 equal pieces. But if you'll notice, each slice is very small. And this last pizza is partitioned into fourths. Now let's revisit this story problem. Vashti, Taisha, and Musin shared a pizza. Each friend ate a different fraction of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza might each friend have eaten? You will need to decide how the pizza has been partitioned before you make a choice. I'm going to choose a pizza that's been partitioned into sixths for this demonstration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mathematicians call that sixths. And we say that it's 6 pieces out of 6 pieces. And it equals 1 whole pizza. The cool part about this story problem is that there are lots of correct answers. Remember, we have a pizza that's partitioned into 6 equal parts. We could say sixths or 6 out of 6. Let's say that Vashti ate 2 slices out of the 6. Therefore, we can say that she ate 2/6 of the pizza. So our numeral fraction will look like this, with the 2 as the numerator and the 6 as the denominator. 2 numerator, 6 denominator. So Vashti ate 2/6 of the pizza. And if you look at the picture, we even crossed out the 2 that she ate. Now we know how much pizza Vashti ate. I wonder about Taisha. How much did she eat? Let's just pretend that Taisha wasn't very hungry. So she only ate one slice of pizza. What fraction would that be? What fraction of the pizza did Taisha eat? Because she ate 1 out of 6 slices, we can say that she ate 1/6 of the pizza. This is the slice she chose. 1/6. So the 1 would be the numerator or the number on the top. Out of 6 pieces, which is what the whole pizza is partitioned into, the 6 would be the denominator on the bottom of the fraction. And we can say that Taisha ate 1/6 of the pizza. Now it's Moosen's turn. Let's just pretend that Moosen was starving and decided to eat the rest of the pizza. How much did he eat? Because Moosen was so hungry, he ate 3/6 of the pizza. My goodness. So we put the number that he ate at the top, which is the numerator, and the number of all the slices of the pizza on the bottom, which is the denominator. And then we can say that Moosen ate 3/6 of the pizza. Now, mathematicians will take the information that they've learned and organize it into lots of different ways. You've learned those ways this year, like bar graphs or pictographs, tables and charts. We have organized this information into a chart called a table. So on one side of the table, we listed all the friends' names. And on the other side of the table, we listed all the fractions that they ate. And we made sure that they matched. So remember, Vashti ate 2/6 of the pizza, Taisha ate 1/6 of the pizza, and Moosen ate 3/6 of the pizza. So another really cool thing that mathematicians do is they take the information from a chart and they synthesize it by looking it over and writing about it or talking to someone about it. Because you're not with your third grade friends, we're going to have you write about it. And writing is a wonderful way to synthesize anything that you've learned. So let's look at what we wrote here. Vashti ate 2/6 of the pizza. Taisha ate 1/6 of the pizza. Moosen ate 3/6 of the pizza. I know this equals 1 whole because 2 slices plus 1 slice plus 3 slices equals 6 slices. Therefore, 6 out of 6, 6/6, equals 1 whole pizza. Remember this slide? After the video is over, you can choose to complete this math task in one of 2 ways: electronically, on the computer, or on your iPad, or with your paper and pencil, whichever is the easiest and the best way for you and your family. Your teachers have helped you by making a slide deck that you can copy and create and make your own unique ways of dividing up a pizza. This is the electronic version and its directions. So the directions say that you're going to click on this link. So once you get to that slide, you'll click on that link. Then you'll make a copy of this slide deck. Then you'll label it with your name and the words sharing pizza. This is where the fun starts, because then you'll get to experiment and try different combinations, different ways that you can partition the pizza, different names of friends that you want to use. You get to make it your own. And I even wrote in here that you can even change the names of the children in your story to match it however you want it to make it look. And then you're going to submit your completed presentation to your Google Classroom for your teacher to review. Or if you don't want to do it the digital way, or if you'd rather do it on paper and pencil, there are directions for that as well. So for these directions, you'll click on this link if you need to. You may not even need to, but it will take you to the choice board and will give you a better picture, like a clearer picture of what this is. Then using pencil and paper, you'll follow the same directions. When you're finished, you'll take a picture and send it to your teacher. If you have your teacher's phone number, you can text it to her, or you can just send it to her via email. Now it's your turn to choose your own adventure. So you're going to go to the slide that is titled Directions for Students link, located in your Google Classroom. And then just follow the directions that I just showed you and create your own sharing pizza adventure. Before you submit your work, you might want to do a few things, like review your slides and make sure the fractions match the story and the friends correctly. Make sure that you have your name in the title. And then when you are finished making changes and are ready to turn in your work, you will simply click on the blue button in Google Classroom that says Mark as Done. And then if you have any questions, be sure to contact your teacher. But most of all, have fun. Learning is an adventure, and this is no different. This concludes Sharing Pizza.